How to change the language on Prime Video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Prime Video. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So as you can see, all of the menus and options are currently defaulted to English. But if you're from another country that you don't speak English as your first language and you want to update the language, tap on the My Stuff button in the bottom right hand corner. Then next, tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner. Once you're here on the settings menu, the third one up from the bottom, you'll see it says language. So tap on that one, and here you can change it to whichever language you would like. If you wanted to change it to Spanish, just tap on Spanish, and here it will ask you to confirm to change your language. So clicking yes will restart the app in the selected language. Do you want to continue? So if you do, tap on yes, the app will close and restart, and once it's restarted, it will be in the language that you've just chosen. And that's all it takes to change the language on Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.